When I go in churches, and I'm sure the same as with you, the pastor and the congregation will rejoice when we get to heaven, right? Why are you preparing me for heaven? Right? As a young man, as an American, as a person, what we need to be preparing people for is the world, right? When we get to heaven, everything's going to be okay. There ain't no sickness, golden streets. Right? There's no hurt or pain, no more tears. But here on earth, there's a lot of work to be done. And what we need to be preparing our people for in church is to go back in the world. Listen, you were saved. You were given the power of God. You were called to a greater purpose. Not for heaven, but for here, right? For on this ground, right? It says that for God so loved the world that he sent his son, right? And he sent him into this world. And he is the only one that can fix it. And when we take on his spirit, when we take of his blood and his bread, what we are saying is that we are just like him and we are sent into this world. Not to prepare us for heaven, but to speak up against the atrocities and evil of this land, to stand up for our rights and our faith, to proclaim our love of God, to be vigilant and willing to defend it against all things, against all evils. Do you know what the word darkness in Hebrew is? It is ignorance. Right? So when he calls him the prince of darkness, he calls him the prince of ignorance. And if you're ignorant, you're ruled by that prince. Does that make sense? And so we no longer can afford to be ignorant about going to the church and letting somebody give us instructions on about when we get to heaven. That ain't your duty. When you get to heaven, it's like going to the resort. They bring you drinks and food to you. They give you warm towels. But here on earth, what we need to be doing is going into the world, building leaders, changing lives, speaking truth, leading and instructing, not only in educational systems and in churches, but in prisons and on the streets, in brothels, in bars, in pride parades, in poor communities, in rich communities, in gangbangers. Hey, God, hey, Pastor, don't tell me when we get to heaven because we're here right now. Fluid English.